looks like could be trouble.
Yeah, exactly, because it's not only just rain and heavy rain and quite a bit of it for several days, but we have the potential for severe weather. And in fact, we had a severe thunderstorm warning, which just expired. That was up until 11 a.m., so that just expired, and that was out near Winnebago and Lee counties. But at this point, the pink shaded area, everyone under a severe thunderstorm watch, that is up until 5 p.m. Looking at the radar right now, you can see the dark shaded gray areas denoting where we've had hail. We also have quite a bit of very intense rainmakers out there. In fact, these are just some of the report ground there. We have some pictures from Maywood that are incredible, and the storms just continue here. You can see it stretches back to the south and west, and it's going to keep coming across Chicagoland for quite a while. We'll talk about exactly what we expect to see here coming up in just a bit.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, it does. And it's going to keep going on and on and on until Friday morning, probably. We have the potential for not only very heavy rain today, but showers and thunderstorms. Some of those thunderstorms could be strong to severe. We have already had a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings across the area in different counties. The area shaded in the orange color. That does include Cook County. It does include Lake County, stretching back to the south and west. Now, the severe thunderstorm watch is up until 5 p.m. We watch for that potential here for those severe thunderstorm warnings to fire up throughout the course of the day today. And then I suspect National Weather Service will probably extend that watch into the evening. There's also a flood watch up for the green shaded area. That goes all the way through until Friday morning. Temperatures right now are not as much of a factor. At this point, we're in the 40s. But what we look at in terms of the radar picture here, this is the offending cell near Aurora right now as it continues to push on off to the east and northeast. We're going to see that severe thunderstorm warning moving ever closer in towards Lake County, Cook County. Those folks under the gun here in terms of what you're going to find. Some gusty winds, likely hail with this. We know hail has been a big factor in the stronger storms that we have out there right now. Looking back to the south and west, it just keeps coming. There is more weather down to the south and west of us. Rainfall accumulation between now and Friday morning is upwards of 3 to 4 inches of rainfall. That in addition to that possibility of severe weather, and it's really going to be quite the difficult day out finally. For the next couple of days, that's not going to be the case.
Because flooding could be a real issue.
Flooding is a big issue, yes. With 3 to 4 inches of rain, some of the rivers are already at or above flood stage. So all of this combined.
All right, sounds like a mess.
It is.
Thank you, Megan.
Sure.
Well, we have an update about that stuff. A final check of our weather. That does make us feel a little better.
A little bit. But we do have some warnings out there right now. That severe thunderstorm warning is up.